What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about knives, specifically SKIF knives on the table right there. If you don't know who they are, Matt from Demolition Ranch and Rob from lunkerstv, that's their company that they started or bought or whatever. If you don't know who they are, I don't know what to tell you. You shouldn't, like, how are you watching this video if you don't know who they are? But anyway, we're gonna get into this here in just a second, but I don't know if you've seen their video where they were a little bit pricey at first and they've kind of dropped them down. So I figured, hey, what the hell, I'm gonna get one. I like knives. So before we get into it, make sure you like this video or subscribe at least, because I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers. Got like 87 or something like that right now, 8,700. So that would be cool. Also, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Link will be below and on the screen. Post lots of riding footage. I've got a 2018 Turbo Razor, so that's always fun. Looking for some videos on that soon. But anyway, let's get into it. This is the box that it comes in. It's got a little magnet where the American flag is, so if you take it loose, it'll clip together, so that's cool. Here are some specs for the knife. It is the Bulldog. It comes with this nice little knife condom. So it's, let me show you on the table. It's gray on this side, and it's got the pocket clip. It's green on this side. It flicks out pretty easy with the little flicker. I really like it. Like, it's pretty sharp. It's really sturdy. The lock is pretty sturdy. It comes with this nice case. It also comes with a dog tag, if you're into that. I don't know what to do with that, but it's definitely replaced my favorite knife, which is this one. It's CRKT, I guess. It's made by Carson Design. It flicks out really easy. It is the M16-14S. Well, you can read that. But this has been my favorite knife forever. The little red thing right there where my thumb is a safety. So it's got a normal close thing with your thumb, but you have to hit the safety at the same time in order to close it. Come on, focus. Anyway, that was my favorite knife. This one's pretty much replaced it. That's what I carry every day now. This one, this Carson Design one, the grip kind of comes off. There's some type of polymer grip, so you end up having to tighten the screws all the time on it that are right there. So if you like this video, hit like. Anyway, the dog started barking, so if you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I think that would be a cool goal for this year. Yeah, or any year, really. Who can say they've hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube? Not very many. I'd like to hit a lot more than that, but you know, whatever. Baby steps. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat either. Watch other videos or something like that, and